I'm driving away from another fight, and my mind won't stop. She thinks I resent her. She thinks I'm trying to hurt her. But I love her. And why am I always the enemy? Why do I only get seen through my worst moments when I'm so much more than that? I keep trying, I keep showing up, and it's still not enough. And I told myself if only I could just stop overthinking, that we'd be fine. That the overthinking was the problem. But I was wrong. The overthinking didn't lose her. I did. It was what it made me do. I'd be so deep in my head, so busy analyzing us, fixing us, figuring it out if we were okay, that I'd disappear. I'd go quiet, distant, pull back without even noticing. And when all the thinking wore me down, resentment would creep in. Why am I the only one trying this hard? Why doesn't she see it? I never said it out loud, but she felt it. She felt me withdraw. She felt the distance I swore I wasn't creating. And that's the part I couldn't see. I thought I was loving her. I was leaving her a little more every time I went into my head. We were in bed. Everything calm, her head on my shoulder, a real moment. She was right there. And where was I? In my head. This isn't fixed yet. We still have problems. If we don't sort this out, it will only get worse. Lying next to the woman I love, planning how to repair us, while the actual us was happening right there on my shoulder. And I missed it. And I called it caring. I told myself I think about us this much because I love her, because I wanted to make it work. That's care, right? No. It was judgment. Judgment wearing the face of care. Every thought was really me saying, this isn't good enough yet. We're not there yet. She's not, we're not, it's not enough. I wasn't loving what we had. I was measuring it against some version in my head that didn't even exist. And you can't love someone while you're busy grading it. And it wasn't just the overthinking. I tried everything. I listened. I tried to meet her needs. I tried to make her feel special. Did all the things you're supposed to do, and it still wasn't enough. Because I was trying to force love into the shape I wanted it to take. Make it fit the picture in my head. But that's not love. You can't engineer it. You can't try your way into it. And the harder I gripped, the more it was slipping through my hands. And that's when it finally hit me. When I withdrew into my head, that was control. When I tried too hard, that was control too. There was no version of me in that relationship that wasn't gripping, trying to manage the outcome, trying to make it safe, trying to think my way to a guarantee that doesn't exist. And all that gripping, all that anxiety, it never made us once better. It just took me out of the one thing I actually had. Her. The us that was already there while I was busy trying to build the us in my head. You can't think your way into love. You can't control your way into it either. Love isn't a problem to solve. It's a place to be. And I was never there. So now when the thoughts come, and they still come, I let them pass. I look at what's actually mine to control. My presence, how I show up, whether I'm here right now, and everything else, the future, the outcome, whether we make it, I'm learning to let go of, to loosen the grip because I don't know what's coming. I never did. And the moment I stopped pretending I could think my way to certainty, I could breathe. I could be here with her in the moment instead of in my head. The overthinking has stopped mostly, but the damage is done. And here's the hard part. I can't overthink my way out of that either. I can't analyze it, can't plan it, can't fix it in my head. All I can do is show up, be present, and accept whatever comes. because that's what I finally understood. Love actually lives, not in controlling it, not in solving it, not in thinking about it, in choosing to be there fully, even when I don't know how it ends. The overthinking didn't lose her. I did, but it taught me the one thing I needed to know. Love was never something to figure out. It was something to be present for. And now, I am. If you're still thinking about this after the video ends, that's where I write Beyond the Walls. Link in the description.